Let's make this simple, easy fried chicken. It was so delicious. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. So we do easy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos. It is free. So I have my chicken here. We are frying the chicken wings. Okay, so I'm going to clean it very well and cut the parts that I don't want or I don't like. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. So please just watch the screen and enjoy the video. Do not hesitate to follow me on all social media platforms for more videos. It is free, and if you want short videos, please watch me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short as well. Okay, you will love it. So it had those yellowish thing on the skin, and I am just going to scratch it. Okay, I'm going to scratch it or scrape it, okay, so that everything will come out, or I can be able to clean everything. So I'm going to do that behind camera so that I won't take much of your precious time. Do you get that? Thank you so much. And I will take this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos, and I wish myself happy birthday. Yes, today is my birthday. So it has some feathers as well. Okay, I will just remove it and then I will get back to you. So I'm done with everything, and this is how it looks. You can see it looks very clean and neat. I'm just going to pour this in my cooking pot, and we are going to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then we will continue. Okay, so after this, I'm just going to add my seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, and if you don't like seasoning, please just do not use it. Okay, but I have added my seasoning, and I will go ahead and add extra pepper to that, and then I will add another seasoning. So there's the next seasoning I'm going to use is salt. Okay, I will add that to it, and then we will continue. So now it has been on fire under a very lower heat, and this is how it looks. It has been on fire for about 20 minutes. Okay, and it is not well cooked, so I'm just going to wait for a while. The chicken is very hard. Okay, so I'm going to wait for a while, and then I will show you the end result. So after extra 15 minutes, this is how it looks. The fire is not very high. Okay, that is why it took a very long time. So I just don't want to mess the place up, so that is why it took very long time before getting ready. Now our chicken is ready. I will strain the water or the stock from it, and then we will start frying. Have you liked this video? If you haven't, please, what are you waiting for? Do not forget to like the video, share to others, and then leave me some comment. Okay, I'll be so happy to read your comment. Thank you so much for your time. Now the fire is not high again. Okay, I don't actually like cooking with a very high heat. Okay, yes, so the fire is not high, and I'm just going to allow it to fry perfectly, then I will continue with you. Now after some few minutes, I'll go ahead and flip it to the other side so that the other side can also fry well, and then I will show you the end result. I can't wait to show you the end result. This was very juicy inside, and outside was very, very crispy and delicious. Yes, please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to watch other videos on this platform. Okay, I'll be very happy if you do that for me, and please share to others so that we can get more subscribers and followers. Thank you very much. Now our chicken is ready, and I'm just going to remove it from the oil and let it rest on the paper towel. Just look at that. So delicious and very beautiful as well. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, always remember I love you. You have to take good care of yourself, eat healthy, and love yourself first. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.